In today's video, I will walk you through how to buy stock on Robinhood. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open the Robinhood app or visit the Robinhood website and sign into your account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can access your portfolio, search for investments, and manage your trading activity. Before you begin, make sure your account is set up properly and has enough funds available so you can complete a purchase without any issues. Next, use the search bar at the top of the platform to look for the stock you want to buy. You can type in the company name or its ticker symbol, and Robinhood will show you the matching results. Once you find the correct stock, click on it to open its main page. Here you will see useful information like the current price, performance chart, and key company details. Taking a moment to review this helps you understand how the stock has been performing before you invest. Before placing your order, check your buying power to make sure you have enough available funds in your account. Robinhood will only let you proceed if your balance can cover the purchase amount. Once everything is ready, select the Buy button on the stock page. You will then choose how you want to invest. You can either enter the number of shares you want or type in the exact dollar amount you want to invest. This gives you flexibility depending on your budget and investment strategy. After entering your details, review everything carefully on the confirmation screen. Make sure the stock, amount, and order settings are correct before moving forward, since this is your final check before the order is placed. When everything looks right, click Submit or Buy to complete your order. Robinhood will process it based on current market conditions. Once the transaction goes through, the stock will appear in your portfolio, where you can track its performance, view price changes, and manage your investment over time. And that is how to buy stock on Robinhood step by step.